In a world where education is the key to a brighter future, Sandvik Coromant India stands committed to fostering quality learning environments. Introducing the Green Model School project. Through collaboration with PCMC and the Think Sharp Foundation, Kamala Nehru Hindi Primary Vidyalaya School and Kindergarten in Pimpri received a transformative makeover.
शाळेमध्ये वर्गच बसायला नव्हता. या ऑफिसच्या शेजारीमध्ये एक वर्ग होता, तिथं खूप डेड स्टॉक होता. मुलांना खूप लागण्याची भीती होती. त्यातूनही मी नंतर जिन्याखाली एक छोटासा वर्ग होता, तिथे गेले. असे माझे खूप 2-3 वर्ग चेंज झाले. मला स्वतःचा वर्गच नव्हता. मुलांना आवडच नव्हती शाळेमध्ये यायची. मी त्यांना घरी जाऊन घेऊन येत होते. मग मला ही सुंदर बालवाडी बनवून दिली. मुलं आज ही खेळणी बघून इतकी खुश झालेली आहेत, एक्साइटेड झालेत की मी काय खेळून काय नको. आणि मुलं आता स्वतःहून म्हणतात की आम्ही रोज शाळेत येणार आहे, आम्हाला ही खेळणी खूप आवडली आणि त्यांचा शारीरिक विकास पण खूप सुंदर होणार आहे. त्यामुळे पटसंख्या वाढायला खूप मदत होणार आहे.
Solar energy systems now power the entire school, ensuring sustainable operations while promoting eco-friendly practices. The provision of educational aids, toys, and separate libraries in each classroom further enhances the learning experience. The inauguration ceremony, graced by esteemed guests and representatives, marked the beginning of a new chapter for the school and its community. Together, we celebrate progress and innovation in education. This initiative, aligned with Sustainable Development Goal 4, underscores our commitment to ensuring inclusive and equitable quality education for all.
मेरा नाम सुंदरी है, मैं 7वीं कक्षा में पढ़ती हूँ। तभी पढ़ने की इच्छा नहीं होती थी। पहले कंप्यूटर क्लास नहीं था तो मैं कुछ नहीं कर पाती थी। अब मैं रोज नए डिज़ाइन करती हूँ, टिंकरिंग लैब में जाके बहुत अच्छी चीज़ सीखती हूँ।
Today we inaugurated the refurbishment that has been supported by Sandvik from their CSR contribution, and I think it's a great collaboration that has happened between PCMC and Sandvik, where the basic structure of the school is there, basic civil work has been done otherwise, and Sandvik has come in along with their implementation partner Think Sharp to have the value addition, especially for the Balwadi, which almost didn't exist before. There was just a room, but now the value addition that has happened to Balwadi is something really great. And I really love the concept of Atal Tinkering Lab also, and more so because Sandvik is also supporting with the HR requirement for the Tinkering Lab and also the Computer Lab, and also the idea of having an open library for kids through a library bag which is there in the classrooms. I think overall a great collaboration between PCMC and Sandvik. Thank you.
By investing in the future of our youth, we pave the way for a brighter tomorrow.
I think it's a very special day in terms of, dedicating one more Balwadi facility working along with PCMC to the Kamala Nehru School. CSR, we work on 4 pillars within Sandvik, and education, environment, skilling and gender. These are the 4 pillars, and education is one area wherein we focus a lot. I think it is very important that our next generation, which is coming up, is provided with all the facilities what they need when it comes to education. So it has been a very privileged and a proud moment for Sandvik. I once again like to thank the partners Think Sharp and PCMC for making this happen. Thank you.
Sandvik Coromant India. Empowering communities through education. Together, we build a better world.